Hey guys, so we're back here. We've got a new power steering pump, which may or may not be leaking a little bit. At least the fluid is staying in. We've got a new idle air control valve, new battery in there. It's running pretty good. I do have some more spark plugs on their way. I think somehow one of them burned, which is kind of crazy. Got super hot. Not real sure what happened there. So order new plugs. And it's feeling pretty good. It's running pretty good. I still have not taken it on a test drive. But look at her. Now the reason for the video today is that I'm doing an alignment here, and I'm sort of just doing it myself based on other videos that I've seen on YouTube. Now I am no professional, but take a look. I saw a few different methods that people were using, measuring from, you know, the front of the car, the distance between the wheels, sort of in the front and the back. And that's probably what I should do. However, my toe was really bad, specifically on the passenger side. So you'll notice here, this is what I did. And again, this is not scientific. I'm no professional. I took a string, I tied it around the bottom of the tire, or near the bottom-ish. And I went all the way across, and you'll see that it sort of hits the tire. And then I went and tied it to the front of this front tire. And so the gap, when I first did it, was like that. So I could stick my finger, almost 2 fingers, in between, which means I pretty much had a toe out condition. And I'll show you here on the other side. So take a look at that. Can you guys see that? I don't know how well you can see the gap. There's essentially a gap. It's not hitting the back of the tire. So even on this one, I have a little bit of a toe out condition. That one rests right against the tire. So again, not scientific, but once you get your strings connected, let me show you here underneath what I did. I did have to use a torch to heat up the lock nut, essentially, some PB blaster, and then I use an adjustable wrench. Oh, we got a little bit of a leak, or you could see some drops, so maybe there's a leak going on here, but let's take a look. So there's the lock nut. I've got a pickle fork sort of holding the tie rod end. I use a 3/4 for the nut, and then I held on to the inner tie rod with an adjustable wrench. And you could see sort of right there where I was off kind of a bit there. So again, is this scientific? No, but it's much better until I can actually take it for a real alignment, or we'll see how it tracks. I mean, it might be good here. So again, I'm out of money, and that's ultimately why I'm doing it at home. Just wanted to show you that with the string method. So you loosen that nut, turn your tie rod end to either move the tire toe in or toe out, and then lock that nut back down. That's how you could potentially align your car at home. After that, you could take measurements. There are other videos on YouTube taking measurements from the back of the tires to the front of the tires to make sure that you have a proper toe. But for now, this is good enough for me. Alright guys, see you next time.